Oh, what's going on, everybody? It's Tuesday, driving into work. This is my construction update for work number 2. They changed the roads around on us a little bit last night. Coming into work yesterday, it was as it's been for my last 7 years, but leaving last night, noticed they changed some stuff. Hopefully we're not going to get backed up at traffic, because it's not a very good change. Nice looking bike. Unless it was just a temporary deal for last night, because I thought it wasn't until the end of this month when they were supposed to make the big changes, but we'll see. At the very least, we'll let you all check out what we got going on here. Again, kind of straight ahead there, off to just the right of the big building is going to be where the new 777 Wings building will be. They're expanding the building right in front of me. That's going to be the fuselage building. Yeah, so we used to be able to go just straight ahead. Now we are going over into the turn lane. This isn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. See, now we're one lane in, one lane out. Yeah. Imagine the parking lot's going to be a mess. Can't really see anything to the right there. Wish I would have grabbed the camera the other day. They had all the orange construction fencing down so you could see through the chain link, but now we're not going to be able to get a view on much of anything that's going on. It's just an open lot right now. They've taken all the little support structures and our tunnel entrance down, and now we got to deal with this mess. Gonna be another overtime night tonight. Didn't do any last night. Line move went exceptionally well last night. That was impressive. We not only tore our position down, but we reset. And we're still done before 11 o'clock. So I went home at 11. Tonight, however, we will be late. Get out at 1. That's okay, though. After tonight, I will have 126.4 hours of overtime for this quarter. You can see the new access road they got on the right there. That's supposed to be opening up here shortly, so this will be 2 lanes out again, which will help. Why they're not using it now. It's some construction equipment doing some digging or whatnot. Don't want people too close. But yeah, tomorrow night hit 128 and no more overtime for the quarter. Got a little update coming at you here in a couple days. I'm not going to tell you anything about it now in this video. We'll wait for another opportunity. We're going to have a traffic situation here inside the parking lot, because now everybody's going to be trying to go down the same aisle to get in and out. I have to start. I'm a few minutes earlier than normal. Wanted to be about 10 minutes earlier, but too busy doing some stuff this morning. Yeah, now who else but Brian would show you a video of the traffic backup getting into work, right? Little entrance road here. It's weird how they put a rise in it right here. Wonder why that is. Maybe for drainage, who knows. Oh yeah, most of this to the right will be gone here in the next month. My Chevy Cruze in silver, no RS though. Yeah, the key is going to be to get into the parking lot before second shift starts leaving, because this will be a mess. So I'm hearing rumors that the outer road is now fully closed. So I've got to be able to get into the parking lot. I can always stage on the side of the aisles here waiting for a spot to open up. So that wasn't too bad today. What do we got? That's up right there. I like backing in here. Less chance of somebody backing into my back bumper. Don't want to ding up the new car any more than I have to. Alrighty, well, we made her. There's your construction update. We'll catch y'all in the next video. You be good. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.